Hey guys, I'm Jay. I'm the head fabricator here at Found Sound in Carrum Downs. Gonna start shooting some videos, just making stuff, what I do on a daily basis, bits and pieces. Might learn some things, might not, might laugh, might not, but I enjoy it, so this is what I do, and come along for the ride. So today I've got a few things going on. This Camaro, Bumblebee Camaro, still working on that. It's coming along good. I am today going to be making up some floor mounts just to get the floor sturdy, mount it up, give me some room to lay some cables under the floor and get that all run and rejigged and working properly. So Bumblebee spec, yellow with the black stripes, it's got the Transformer logos in it and stuff, so it was actually like a factory delivered Bumblebee special edition. It had a previous install in there which, look, I'll be honest, was not special. A lot of things could have been done differently, or at least not to my liking, it wasn't done. So we stripped it, started again, trying to make it look a bit prettier, a bit nicer for what the customer wants for it. That's what I'm good at, and that's what I'm going to make happen. So, like I said today, I'm making these step ups for the floor. Got a bit of 25mm MDF that I'm just going to cut up on the table saw and get them cut up to the length that I want. After that, I'm going to jump onto the router bench and get the angle bits cut. Find it nice and easy just to use a flush trim once I've got the bit marked out, and just flush trim it straight to that. Saves having to try and dangerously run it through the table saw and lose a finger. I've done that once before. That's not fun. Well, didn't lose a finger, but close enough to it. It scares you. Yeah, that'll make you pay attention a little bit more. So gluing and screwing the legs together, and then over to the router bench, just to give them a quick round over, just so it's not a sharp edge. And then just a quick whiz of the sander, just to flatten them out, get them ready just to spray black so that they're not raw MDF. And these are actually going to get urethane to the floor. The customer does not want any holes drilled in the car at all. Which is fine, I understand that, but makes it a little bit difficult to mount things. So running off factory mounts is what it's got to be, and unfortunately in the floor there's nothing really around that can actually mount anything to. So these are going to get urethane to the floor, just like that, in that position, so that at least I've got some nice structure to actually sit the new false floor on and screw it down to, so it's going to be a bit solid. So next, these are the battery mounts that I've made up for the batteries for the quarter panels in the sides, which obviously relocates that original battery from the spot in the centre over to the sides. That spot in the centre I've now used for the projector battery charger slash power supply, which actually has a point under the car that's been cut in to the car. Yeah, anyway. So just gluing and screwing these things together. Nothing special, just cleaning up the glue and they will be ready to go after a coat of black. Just sizing up the floor, it was a little bit long, so taking a little piece off just to make sure we're going to have enough clearance for trimming. And this one here is a little panel that I've made up for the charger to sit in that factory battery location under the floor. I've got to grab some footage of that actually being made, but I mean, it's just a simple little board. It's got a 45-degree route on one end of the board so that it can lift under the edge of the battery tray itself, and then it has a M6 bolt on the left hand side of it, which bolts down to where the factory battery screw down mount actually was. So it makes it nice and tidy and easy, but this is just me trimming it up, nothing special. I'm not exactly a trimmer in any way, shape or form, so I just get it done, send it, make it happen. No special techniques here, just good pair of scissors and a Stanley knife. That's about it. Yeah. And it's just mounting in the car. Oh, love it. Love it. And of course just bolting it down in that factory spot. Easy. Love it. Nice and simple, but effective. Works. Alright, so now this is the floor piece. Needed to make an opening in the floor to be able to access that charger. And there is a compressor in the wheel well to pump up tyres, no spare wheel in that spare wheel well, so need to make access to it. Here I've just thrown a couple of templates to get a rough shape of sort of where I wanted it to be, and then basically a little car audio fab trick. Thanks Mark. Drilling a 1/8 hole just on the edge and being as gentle as possible not to fall off the path and just flush routing it all the way around, which is also going to give me that 1/4 inch gap for the carpet we're going to use, because the carpet's actually going to be quite thick too, so that's going to help a lot. And then just notching out a small spot so you can actually pick it up. Cool. There you go, so floor piece in. Alright, that's about it for today. Plenty more to come. Hopefully the videos are going to keep continuing to get better. They are getting better. I'm new at this, I haven't done this before, so getting used to this whole content creation thing, but it's pretty sick. I love it. I love what I do. I want to share it with you guys. I want to have fun. If there's something you want to see me do, put it in the comments. But otherwise, see you next time.